Welcome everybody, Brian here from T-Sportline in Atlanta. We just finished an install on this beautiful Tesla Model 3. This is an 18-inch wheel, Cyber Bronze. Now you know that black, gloss black, satin black, always been #1 popular for us. Space gray has been a popular color, but we introduced Cyber Bronze in 2024. This is a newer color for us, and I'm telling you, it's been super popular. Our wheel fits both the standard, long range, and the performance versions of the Model 3, even in 18-inch, clears the brakes no problem. As part of the installation, we also installed Continental Extreme Contact tires. You know, when you come to T-Sportline, or if you order these and we ship them to your house, we offer a full selection of tires. In this case, Continental Extreme Contact, good tire. But Michelin, Pirelli, Continental, Falcon, whatever you need, we have them in stock. This customer came to us in Atlanta, so we were able to do our installation right here. He replaced a set of really worn out wheels and actually downsized to 18. This 18 downsizing is going to give you a softer ride, gives you more protection against curbs and potholes, and it actually looks pretty good on this car. So what do you guys think? Cyber Bronze. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Drop a comment below. I'm curious what you think. What's your favorite color for wheels? It's going to be a black, Cyber Bronze, or space gray? All right, everybody, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Come back soon. We got a lot more Tesla Model 3s coming your way.